Welcome to Teclite Industries demo on resizing and plugging existing cutouts. Today we're going to be demonstrating Teclite Industries' patented new insert system. The major problem when upgrading to LED lights is the old incandescent lights have large cutouts, while the new modern LED lights are significantly smaller. Teclite Industries has a new system for plugging old cutouts or for resizing existing cutouts ready for new, smaller LED lights. The insert consists of a base plate and a threaded inner insert. First, remove the old incandescent light. Now, we will prep the cutout to fit our insert. First, take a small cut out of the jib to fit our insert in the hole. Next, we take an 8-gauge screw and screw it into the center of the insert. This will give us more control over the insert when fitting later. Now we will test fit the insert, ensuring that it sits securely. Trim jib again if not sitting well or difficult to place. Ensure that the inner part of the insert is positioned at 2 mm below the ceiling. This can be achieved by screwing in or out of the base plate to set. Now we apply plaster to the insert as seen here, ensuring sufficient plaster to hold securely into the ceiling. Place plastered insert into the ceiling and use the screw to pull down and bed into the plaster. Next, we will apply the first coat of surface plaster while holding the insert by the screw, ensuring it does not move. Once complete, we will leave this to dry. With the plaster dry, we now remove the screw and give the surface a quick scrape, ensuring the surface is flush. Next, apply the second coat of plaster and leave to harden. Our last step is to scrape back and prep for the final coat of finishing compound. Once dry, the plug is complete and is ready to sand and paint. We now have a completed plug done in a quick and efficient manner. Here we have a 120 mm hole, and as you can see, the hole is too large to fit the modern LED. We are now going to resize this hole using the Teclite Industries insert system to 84 mm. This insert can be used to resize cutouts to 74 mm, 84 mm, 94 mm and 104 mm cutouts. As you can see from this image, the inner insert has multiple rings. Simply remove the part at the diameter required for your new LED light. Now we have removed the part from the insert at an 84 mm diameter. The insert is now plastered and ready to install. Using both hands, the insert is pulled down to bed into the plaster securely. Next, we proceed to plastering the face of the insert while holding the insert, making sure to avoid moving the insert. Clean any excess plaster from the inner ring when done. After a quick scrape, apply the second coat of plaster, ensuring to clean any excess from the inner ring when done. Our last step is to apply the third and final finishing compound. Once dry, the insert is ready for sanding and painting. We now have a complete resized hole that went from 120mm to 84mm, ready to install a brand new LED light.